Okay, my dear students, and welcome all my viewers. This video is meant for plus 2 first year commerce uh, mathematics subject regarding logarithm, and also uh, those who have no idea, basic idea about logarithm. This video is particularly meant for those category of students. My dear students, what is a logarithm? Logarithm is a very important mathematical concept. This is very important mathematical concept. It was developed by John Napier. It was developed by John Napier, an American engineer. It was developed by John Napier, an American engineer, or English mathematician John Napier, 1550. Logarithm. तो ये logarithm subject, what is the purpose of this subject? Logarithm subject, this mathematical concept is basically devised in order to calculate difficult calculations, very difficult calculations. Difficult calculations. Jadi if we are finding, or if you find any difficult calculations, then manually without the use of calculator, then it will be very difficult on our part. So how can we find out the answer of very complex calculations? So very difficult calculation can be solved very quickly, easily. सॉल्व आउट होने के लिए ये लॉगरिथम जरूरत है. सो लॉगरिथम concept is basically devised in to calculate very difficult calculations easily. So my dear students, this is your calculation 1.025 to the power 125. So it is very difficult to calculate. To the power 125, it is very difficult to calculate manually. So here it is another example I am putting here. 0.235 to the power 29. It is also a difficult calculation. So how this type of difficult calculations can be solved easily? It will be calculated. The result will be found out by the concept of logarithm. So here we have three things. This is 1.025 is the base, 125 is the power, and result that I am going to find out, this is the number. So we have two things. This is base, this is number, and result that we are going to calculate after few days. Then this is number, base, power, number, base, power, number. This is the logarithm concept. It is started from this point. Yes sir. Okay my dear student, here I have another example. I am putting you another example. 5 to the power 2 is equal 25. Here 5 is the A, 2 is the X, 25 is the N. This is base, this is base, X is the power, and N is the number. Base, power, number. Base, power, number. Base is the A, 2 is the X power, and 25 is the number. Okay. Similarly, root 5 to the power 4 is equal to 25. Is that? So here another example, root 5 to the power 4 is equal to 25, because we know that 5 is equal to root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. So here root 5 to the power 4 is equal to 25, root 5, root 5, root 5, root 5. So root 5 to the power 4 is equal to 25. This is base, this is power, this is number. Yes or no? So here symbolically we can express a to the power x is equal to n. A to the power x is equal to n. Is that clear? This is called exponential form. This is called exponential form. 5 plus square is equal to 25. Root 5 to the power 4 is equal to 25. This is exponential form. एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म को हम लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. जैसे कि वी कैन एक्सप्रेस द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म log n to the base a. n to the base a is equal to x. This is logarithmic form. Yes or no? Here my students, you please concentrate, you please see. Here 5 to the power 2 is equal to 25. A to the power x is equal to n. This is exponential form. So here log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2. Here log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2. Here log 25 to the base root 5 is equal to 4. This is your logarithmic form. Exponential form once again, 5 to the power 2 is equal to 25. This is base, this is power, this is number. Again, we can express it in a logarithmic form. Here, log n to the base a is equal to x. Log 25 to the base 5 is equal to 2. Similarly, root 5 to the power 4 is equal to 25. This is exponential form, and we can write log 25 to the base root 5 is equal to 4, because here root 5 into root 5 into root 5 into root 5 is equal to 25, root 5 to the power 4. So here log 25 to the base root 5 is equal to 4. This is logarithmic form. Again, you please see, my dear student, again I can express once again. So 5 to the power 3 is equal to 25. This is logarithmic form. Log 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. This is logarithmic form. So here we have three things. One is base, another is number or result, another is power. Here base, here number, here result, or here base, here power, here number or result. So we can express log 125 पूरे सीधे तरीके से लिखना पड़ेगा. log 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. So here we have a question. Here we have questions, or here we have a question. Number one is log 1 to 625 to the base 5 is equal to this. This is number, this is power. This is the number, this is the base. Then we are going to find out the power. Log 625 to the base 5 is equal to how much? Again question, log 27 to the base 3 is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? So this is number, this is base, this is the power. The answer will be power. Here log 8 to the base 2 is equal to how much? This is number, this is base, this is power. Log 8 पूरा सीधा लिखना पड़ेगा. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to how much? Okay. जब again question. So how this answer can be found out? Here my answer. Let log 625 to the base 5 is equal to x. This is your logarithmic form. This is your logarithmic form. Again, if we convert it into exponential form, then imply that 5 to the power x is equal to n, because this is base, this is number, this is power, and in exponential form we have to write base to the power is equal to number. Here 5 to the power x is equal to, here 5, 625, 5, 125, 5, 25, 5, 25 to 5 to the power 4. So 5 to the power x is equal to 625. 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power 4. This is my rough answer. So x is equal to 4. So answer 4. I got the answer 4. Is that clear? Similarly, I can find out another question. I find out the answer of another question. Let log 27 to the base 3 is equal to x. Second question, because I have the second question, log 27 to the base 3 is equal to how much? So this is the answer. Let log 27 to the base 3 is equal to x. Imply that exponential form को पहले हमें convert करना पड़ेगा. I just want to convert it in exponential form. 3 to the power x is equal to 27. Imply that 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 3 to the power 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 9. Okay. So imply that x is equal to 3. Is that clear? Third question हमारा था log 8 to the base 2 is how much? This is the question, and I'm going to find out the answer. Let log 8 to the base 2 is equal to x. This is your logarithmic form. Exponential form imply that 2 to the power x is equal to, imply that 2 to the power x is equal to 8. Imply that 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3. Imply that x is equal to 3. Is that clear? Similarly, I can write a little bit difficult question. Little bit difficult. Here log 0.001 पूरा सीधा लिखना पड़ेगा, नहीं ऊपर नहीं मत लिखो. Log 0.001 to the base 10 is how much? This is my question. Answer: let log 0.001 to the base 10 is equal to x. This is your logarithmic form, exponential form. 10 to the power x is equal to n, because here this is your base, this is your number is equal to, this is the base, this is the power is equal to number. 10 to the power x is equal to 1 divided by 1000. 1, 2, 3. So एक के बाद 3 सुने. Okay, 1 by 1000. Here आपका 10 to the power x, here आपका बेस मिल गया 10. हमें भी इसे 10 कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. 1 divided by 10 to the power 3. Okay. So 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. Is that clear? Very good. Next question, another question. Here I have one question. Log 1 by 2 to the base 4 is equal to how much? This is the question. So let log 1 by 2 to the base 4 is equal to x. एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. 4 to the power x is equal to 1 by 2. दिस इज योर एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. 4 आपका यहां पर 2 है, लेकिन यहां पर 4 है. सो 2 to the power 2 होल ब्रैकेट to the power x is equal to 1 by 2. Is that clear? Again 2 यहां आपका बेस, 2 into x, 2x, 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power minus 1. ये आपका हो गया 2 to the power minus 1. आपका बेस समान हो गया. तो 2 to the power x is equal to minus 1. 2 to the power x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the answer, my dear students. So here one type of question that I have designed and also I have solved it out. So this is the basic concept. It is the starting point of logarithm concept. So it would take 10 to 12 or 15 classes to get a detailed idea how to find out very very difficult questions, difficult calculations. It would take 10 or 12 classes. You have to keep patience. Then another video, definitely I will upload the next video, little bit odd or little bit difficult questions that I'm going to solve it out, another concepts of logarithm I just want to express. I hope this video has clarified a little bit concept about logarithm so that students can know from the very beginning. I hope you will accept my video, appreciate my video, like my video, and also share my video. Thank you. Thank you.